Hello kids, let's draw some 2D shapes. Black color. Which color? Black color. Let's start. 2D shapes, triangle. What is this? This is a triangle. Triangle kids. Diamond. We are drawing diamond. Which shape draw kids? It's a diamond. Semicircle. Which shape we draw kids? It's a semicircle. We are drawing semicircle. Semicircle kids, semicircle. We are drawing pentagon. Which shape draw kids? Pentagon. What is this? It's a pentagon. Trapezoid. What is this? This is a trapezoid kids. It's a trapezoid. Trapezoid. Cross. Now we are drawing cross. What is this kids? It's a cross. We are drawing cross kids. Cross. Learn some colors kids. Look at this. This is very nice and cute colors. Learn it. Red color, purple color, forest green color, green color, blue color, yellow color, orange color, yellow green color. Look at this kids. It's a vermilion color kids. Vermilion color, deep violet color, deep violet color, Canada yellow color, Canada yellow color, yellow green color, yellow green color, fresh green color, fresh green color, black color, black color. Now learn 2D shapes, triangle, diamond, semicircle, pentagon, trapezoid, cross. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye.